what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Super excited you guys made it here today because today is something really, really important. Today is the first day of my second annual 100 Days of Makeup Challenge. I'm so excited this year because I have so many things planned for you guys, and last year was such a success. It was so much fun. So I have been planning this second 100 Days of Makeup for so many months already, and I am so excited to bring you guys so many looks and so many different things, and it's just gonna be amazing. So if you guys are new to my channel, last year I did my first 100 Days of Makeup. And you'll definitely want to be following along on my Instagram because that's where you're going to see every single look. Not all of them are going to be filmed, but a bunch of them are. And basically I do a different makeup look for 100 days ending on October 31st, which is my favorite day of the year, Halloween. And there's a huge Halloween makeup and special effects makeup at the end, ending the whole thing. And so we're starting this year today, July 23rd. And I have been amping this up and pumping this up on my Instagram for so long, and if you guys have already been to my Instagram, you'll know today is the first day for the huge $2,000 plus worth of makeup giveaway that's going on to kick off this 100 Days of Makeup, so you'll definitely want to head there. The link will be in the description to my Instagram so that you guys can enter that giveaway. But anyways guys, this is the first video for 100 Days of Makeup. I'm so excited. I hope you guys are excited too. Be sure to follow my Instagram to get all the updates on all the different looks this year. And I'm just really excited, and I hope you guys are too. And I can't wait to show you guys all the different looks. So if you guys think this look is cool and you want to see how to get it, please keep watching. Alright guys, let's get started. I already have my face done, so we're gonna jump right in with eyes. So I'm going to be using my Urban Decay Born to Run palette, and I'm gonna start with the color Riff. Actually, I lied to you. I'm gonna start with the color Soft from the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the color Riff from the Born to Run palette on that same brush. This is the part you're going to work the most on because before you cut this crease, you're going to want it to be extremely blended out, and you're going to want your colors to be exactly how you want them to be on the top of your eye here. So just take your time, like really blending these colors out. Go over top of that with a clean fluffy brush and just like really blend those edges. We're going to go in with a little bit of a deeper color, and that's going to be Good Is Gone. Okay, so once you have this part of it all blended out and everything is ready to go, you're going to want to start cutting your crease. So I have just a little tiny flat brush here and some concealer, and I'm going to go in and start cutting this crease very precisely. Now you're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. Okay, so after you have your cut crease done, I just went in with the color Breakaway in the Born to Run palette, which is just a shimmery, pale, neutral color that matches my skin tone, and just put it all over top of that concealer. That way I am not having any sticky base and there's no transfer of that concealer onto the top of my lid. So I definitely went in and really cut that crease a little bit above my regular crease as well. And the reason that I did this was because I don't want to smoosh the cut crease when I open my eyes. So if I do it right above that, then the actual crease of my eye isn't gonna bother this cut crease at all. So just a little trick, if you're having trouble with your cut creases having lasting power, try cutting it a little bit above and see if that helps you out. Now is the fun part. Okay, so to start off, we have our Urban Decay. This is like an entire Urban Decay tutorial practically. So this is the Razor Sharp Long Wear Liquid Eyeliner from Urban Decay in their Bump, so it's just the white color. And basically I'm going to put this all along that crease. I have a lot of stress. Okay, that wasn't terrible. Hey. Okay. So now we're gonna let that dry. And then I'm gonna do the other one. God bless. Both are done and they look relatively even. Sisters, not twins, and it's gonna be okay. So now that we have this white cut underneath our cut crease, we're gonna go in with a pretty thick winged liner. So let's jump into that. You want to make sure that your winged liner kind of matches the curve of this cut crease as well. I'm actually going to use a different eyeliner because that one's pretty dried out. So this is my Pixie Black Duo liner, and I'm just using this on the tip side. That looks so good. Okay, so now we have this gorgeous, really dramatic black liner, and I'm just pretty into how it's looking so far. Okay, so now we're gonna do our lower lash line, which is gonna be like a really big part of this look. So again, we're going to be using this Born to Run palette. And we're gonna be going in with a mix of Riff and Baja. And I'm just gonna really smoke that out a ton. And then once you have that, the color that you want it to be, then I'm gonna go in with the color Torch on this, or oh my gosh, Urban Decay 24/7 liner. This is an Urban Decay look, apparently. And I'm gonna line my lower waterline with it. Apparently, it's the only brand I own. And I am going to go ahead and highlight my inner corner and my brow bone with my highlighter that I'm going to use on my face too. Okay, so now that we have our eye look done, let's go in with false lashes. So I am going to be using my Eyelure Silk Lashes. And I'm gonna hop off and be right back with them on my face. Okay, just can we just admire these lashes? Looks are instantly transformed. Looks are instantly transformed with eyelashes. I don't know what I ever did before fake lashes, you know? I looked like a fool. So now we're gonna pop on some mascara on the lower lash line, and I'm using my Smashbox Full Exposure Mascara, and I've really been liking this lately. So that's the finished eye look. And now we're gonna do lips. So I'm gonna go in with Urban Decay. I don't know if you knew, but this is like my favorite brand. Hashtag not sponsored. And this is the Urban Decay. I didn't even realize that literally like everything that I chose was Urban Decay. I don't know. If you can't tell who my favorite brand is, you can now. This is their Vice lipstick, which you guys know is my favorite lipstick tube, in the shade Vanished, and it's just a really sheer, pretty nude lipstick. This eye's got a lot going on. Okay, we don't need to get too crazy. It's so pretty though. And then I'm going to top it with, it's not Urban Decay, don't panic, my Makeup Forever 100p lip gloss, and it's just a nude glittery gloss, which is like one of my all-time favorite nude glosses. Just think that really tying everything together sounds excellent. Alright guys, this is the finished look. For watching this video today. I hope that you thought it was cool. You learned some new tips and tricks on how to do this really dramatic cut crease. Let me know what you guys think of it in the comments below, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications if you want to get notified when I upload new videos. And since it is officially 100 days of makeup, you're definitely going to want to turn that on. So I'm just so excited for this time of year. I'm so excited to be doing 100 days of makeup again. And definitely make sure you're following along and go enter that giveaway. It's huge. You're gonna want to be a part of it. I promise you're gonna want to win this giveaway. So definitely go enter that, head to my Instagram, and I will talk to you guys later. So I have an awesome rest of your week, and come back Thursday for the second video of 100 Days of Makeup.